Welcome. Today we are going to do how to edit our sections. So let's say this course we have 4 sections. So to do it, uh, first editing should be turned on. Then you come to this right hand side here. You have a lot of options here, but to have the administration. This administration is for this particular course. To administration for this particular course, you can edit the settings of this course. The users will be able to know the users enroll in this course. The uh, the let's see the outcomes, the badges. You can create a new badge, manage badges, you can back up the course, you can restore, you can import question banks. This is where you can add questions and keep, which you'll be using for your quizzes and assignments and other things. So to edit our sections, since this course we are going to have only 4 sections, we'll come to the administration and click on edit settings. Edit settings. This is the course name. You can change it anytime you like. You can change it. The course summary file is this one is the image that appear on the home page. Let me see. If you go to bsacademy.us, bsacademy.us, on the home page, just on the home page, you see the list of courses. You see this one have an image, this one have images. The courses with the BS Academy logo don't have any images. They're using the default image of BS Academy, don't have any image. So to add, if one is not added and you want to add it, you can just drag from your computer and drop here, or you can click on it and choose from your computer, and then you upload. Okay, so you come here, then you come to course format. The course format is grade format. That's what we are using. That's default for BS Academy. Then the number of sections, we have other formats, but the grade format is what I like. That's default. Then the number of sections, we change it to 4. If the number of sessions is 100, it goes down. You can select unlimited. So the number of sessions is 4. Then you can leave everything here. When you come to the appearance, first language, don't first language, number of announcement files, should be able to student years, activity report, files and uploads. Site upload limit is 32 MB. So you can just leave it. What you need to do here is to change the number of sections to 4. And you click save and display. Save and display. So you come down and now it's 4. So we can add an image in the section. Let's say we want this section 1. Let's say we want the section 1. The topic for section 1 is, let's say, simultaneous equation. This section 2 is sets. Section 3, let's say section 3 we want fractions, and section 4 maybe we want calculus. So you can add an image. You can add an image and you can change the name section 1. So since we want it to be section 1 to be let's say fractions for section 1, you just click on that section, it will expand here. So section 1, you will see something like pencil. Go see the edit section name. You just click on it, and you click on it. It will give you the option to change it to, let's say, fractions. Then you click on enter. click on enter to save it. You can change this one to sets. You click on enter. You change this one to let's say multiplication or addition and subtraction. You can say addition. You click it. You can say this one. You can score this one. Scale division. It's just an example. It's just an example, and you should click enter. So that's it. Addition, division, fraction, sets. So for it to be effective, here you just refresh, and that's it. Fractions, sets, addition, division. So if you want to add an image, if you want to add an image, you can click change image. Change image. Let's say, let me find an image. The first one is fractions. Say fraction. Just search on Google. Images. Let me download an image as an example. Okay. Let me save it. Save image as addition. Fraction. But before you do that, you will have your images already downloaded. That's it. So just come to change image. You click the change image, then you can just drag